Hi, this is Paul Neese with Vortex Optics. Today I'm here to talk about our Viper PST series of rifle scopes. Today I have the 6-24x50 model here, but these scopes are available in a wide selection of sizes, magnifications, and reticles. The PSTs use an objective lens ground from our premium XD glass and using our high-grade XR multi-coatings for highlight transmissions. They're also protected by ArmorTech, a scratch-resistant coating on the objective lens. These scopes use 30mm main tubes for strength and good elevation and windage travel. They also use a hard anodized finish for scratch resistance. The PSTs use tall, exposed style turrets in both windage and elevation with very firm controlled clicks. These scopes also use the CRS zero-stop mechanism in the elevation turret to provide solid return to zero accuracy when elevation corrections are dialed.
It's your favorite hunt of the year. Your rifle? Tested. Your guide? Proven. And your optic? The NightForce SHV family of rifle scopes, available in 5-20x56 and the 4-14x56. The NightForce SHV, many possibilities in one family of rifle scopes. Don't trust that can't-miss shot to anything else. NightForce, rugged, reliable, repeatable.
Hey, I'm Zach with Vortex Optics, here to give you a look at the highly popular Crossfire II rifle scope. This series offers a comprehensive lineup of popular sizes and configurations, including this 3-9x50. The Crossfire II rifle scope takes quality and value to the extreme with a solid platform that's built to outperform all other similarly priced rifle scopes. Quite simply, the only thing entry-level about this scope is its price. One of the most impressive things about these scopes is the long eye relief and ultra-forgiving eye box, which helps you quickly get a sight picture and acquire your target. With its anti-reflective, fully multi-coated lenses, your views through the Crossfire are bright and clear. Strength and durability are unquestioned thanks to the one-piece aircraft-grade aluminum tube that is also nitrogen purged and O-ring sealed for a lifetime of waterproof and fog-proof performance. The fast focus eyepiece allows you to dial in sharp focus of the reticle. And the cap turrets are finger adjustable with tactile MOA clicks and can be reset to 0 after setting in. Need a rifle scope built to exceed your expectations without breaking the budget? Look to the Crossfire II. You won't be disappointed, especially when you consider your purchase is covered by our unlimited, unconditional, lifetime VIP warranty. Check one out online or at a Vortex dealer near you.